Howdy everybody, Steve here, KM9G. Today, I got a new radio. It's a CB radio. This is the Radioddity CB-606. This is a $50 radio, so I would just expect it to do AM and FM and some of the basic stuff. I haven't seen it yet because today is the release day. We're gonna open this thing up together and see what all of its guts are about. I guess I should probably call myself TO251 instead of KM9G. Let's see if we can get this thing on the air. It must be CB time. I like it. Nondescript brown box, like it's safe to have this left on your doorstep and nobody will judge you. They will know how awesome of a CBer you are. I actually haven't seen this before and it looks pretty good. There is a very small owner's manual. Not a whole lot going on in the owner's manual. Let's see if there's anything useful. AM mode, FM mode. I do not see a sideband, but there is plenty of other models out there that have it. This might be good for just heading right on down the road. Mount it in your car and get yourself on the airwaves. What's in here? Mounting bracket, microphone holder, and mounting hardware. Oh, an interesting microphone. What is that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah, 6-pin microphone. It's so cute. Kind of lightweight, kind of soft. We have some bare power leads, a fused power line, so you can put that in. It's a little thick. There is a speaker on the bottom. Nice, let's get this stuff off the desk. All right, there are about 1,000 different ways to get these things powered up, but this one here is the one that I like doing for quick and dirty work. Get rid of that, and then we take the red one and put it on the red side, and the black one and put it on the black side. I don't think we need the microphone yet. You only have a push-to-talk button on there, not an up and down button or anything. Looks like there is a speaker in there, and maybe the audio hole is one of those holes as well, because I don't really see a dedicated audio port. There are 2 screws on the back. External speaker, antenna port, power on. Oh, nice big display too. I like that. Not gonna miss which channel you're on. Let me get this out of the way before I get yelled at. No, I didn't mean to forget it. All right, that's gone. Looks better without it. It's actually really bright in person. Let me see what I can do. Oh, it's dark in here now. Look at this. That is a good readable in the dark display, so that'll look good in your car. Channel up and down. That's loud. That is not, you can't set the volume on that. Okay, we have a menu button. You're not gonna accidentally hit it. I guess you have to long press. Yeah, you have to long press. Get back, well, let's go through there real quick and get rid of that beep. BP for beep. On. Off. Ah. All right, no more beep. AM, FM, and public address. So long press for public address, and then scan. All right, there's an RB function. What is this RB function? Must know what RB means. Roger beep. Huh? There's a button specifically for Roger beeps. Roger beeps are so universally loved and hated at the same time that you have a button to turn it on and off. Emergency takes you to channel 9 or 19. Lock it. And why does it have a little microphone on it? Ah, PTT plus that key. Okay, so you push the PTT while you do that, and we're not plugged into an antenna, so we don't want to do that. All right, let's take a look in the menu and see what we get. Long press to get into the menu, BR for brightness, BP for beep sound, RB for Roger beep, and there are 6 different Roger beeps. Turn some volume up. That's actually not terribly intrusive. So there's your Roger beep, and like we showed you earlier, you turn it on and off with the Roger beep button, the dedicated button for Roger beeping. LE is your Vox sensitivity level, so LE for level. And this is TI for time, this is Vox delay time, and then PO, low or high. Okay, that's power. Put that down to low. We'll do some power tests here in a minute. TOT is time out timer. So you can set this from 1 to 9 and set to 3 or off. This will cut you off if you're in the middle of talking. It'll save your radio from overheating, and it'll save your friends from having to listen to your belly aching for 4 minutes straight without an interruption. I'm gonna turn that off because I want them to never ever miss a minute of my belly aching. All right, and then this is AQ for the ASQ level setting, and this is like adaptive squelch or something along those lines. So 9 levels of that. And we'll put it back down to 4, which was the default. And we'll play with that a bit. All right, sweet. We now have the impressive zoom on the front of the radio. We've got the CB and we have the power meter. This is a peak hold meter. 3.44 on FM, and that might be off a little bit because of coax. Let's switch it over to AM. Get that swing on there. Nice. Let's go into the menu and let's change power, because that was 4 watts of fury right there. Let's put it on low power. I don't think that took. No, that did take. Huh. Oh, there must be some hackability in here. All right, now I want to see what makes this thing tick. We got to get inside of the old girl here. Get these screws off. And it's upside down. That's actually the top. It's just the way they build them these days. Flip it over. Do it again. Nice. There's just so much going on in here. Wow. There is room for an upgrade part here that is missing. Interesting. Let me get you all a little zoom in here. And there is an arrow here that says dip, but there is no dip. Might be what's on the back with the heatsink. Nope, that's voltage regulator. And that one I can't tell. It is a $50 CB. And there might be something going on with this here in the future, because it looks like there's some kind of module that would fit in there, and then 1, 2, 3 cover points for it. Always love looking inside these things and seeing what's going on. Interesting way of hooking the antenna port up to the board. And then the outside of the case is fairly well soldered on, so got to be some heat dissipation action and some grounding going on there. Open some more chips over here on the side with some even bigger heat sinks. That one is a 370, that one is a TDA 2003. Okay, that says, it said RS. Let's see if I can get this fast enough. I can't get it fast enough. I'm going to have to try multiple fingers. BT. And I can't change the BT. Might be what that module was inside. It might be Bluetooth. Doubt it, but you know, anything's possible. Now we can do those 2 buttons at once. Sorry for the hands in the way. But they're the only hands I got. Yeah, I don't know what this BT is. They're clearly having a back and forth conversation, but I can only hear one side.
Yeah, you did. You did. You did give up Fireball. You just said, well, I can find me something else to do. That's what you're supposed to do. That's what you wanted to whip out blowing up that dog board that bait.
All right, folks, there it is. There it is. Be sure to check out the link in the description down below if you want some more info on this radio. In the meantime, there's a video right over here I think you might enjoy next. Thanks for being awesome. I'll see you over there.